A lot of brownie recipes are fussy and require whipping eggs or melting chocolate or browning butter, but sometimes you just want to whip up something easy and classic. These nostalgic Lunchroom Ladies brownies are a little cakey and covered with a delicious fudge frosting that I was eating by the spoonful. And the texture of these brownies gets better the longer they sit. One bite of these will transport you back to your childhood, so let's get started. Melt 1 stick of butter, but don't let it boil. Add a 1/4 cup of cocoa off the heat. I'm using Hershey's Dark. Whisk well. Now whisk in 1 cup of white sugar. The mixture may separate, but that's okay. Now whisk in 2 eggs, one at a time. Make sure you beat the mixture well after adding each egg. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and optionally a 1/4 teaspoon of espresso powder. Now fold in a cup of flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix until no flour streaks remain. Pour the batter into a greased 8x8 or 9x9 inch pan and spread evenly. Bake in a 350-degree preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out with moist crumbs. Prepare the frosting by melting a 1/2 stick of butter with 3 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Once it is hot, remove from heat and with a sieve, add 1½ cups of powdered sugar divided into 2 or 3 portions. Whisk well. Immediately pour over your warm brownies. Let the brownies cool for 2 or 3 hours. Slice and serve. Enjoy.